How to turn on or turn off page break lines on DuckDuckGo browser on PC. Hello guys, so first thing, go here, click on this icon of 3 lines, and after you click on it, now all what you have to do is click on all settings. And after you click on all settings, now all what you have to do is click on general, or make sure it's on general, and scroll down. Here you go, this is page break lines. You can now enable it or disable it easily, as you can see. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.